Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video on SEBI Grade A exam series from Finance MCQ. I am CA Pritam Singh Sangwan and today we will be discussing some important MCQ questions from your technical domain finance subject. Friends, this technical syllabus is of 100 marks in phase 1 and it has 2/3 weightage in phase 2 of your SEBI Grade A exam. And friends, you can find entire technical syllabus of SEBI Grade A exam chapter wise, topic wise on Finance MCQ website in MCQ question format. You can visit the website and practice entire technical syllabus there. I have put the website link in the description box below. So let's begin and try to solve the MCQ questions along with me. Question number 1. Which type of bonds are usually issued by an Indian company outside India but denominated in Indian rupees? Option A, Euro bond. Option B, Yankee bond. Option C, dollar bond. Option D, bulldog bond. Option E, masala bond. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option E, masala bond. Friends, say for example, if Indian company wants to raise rupees in United Kingdom, it will issue masala bond to UK investor. So remember, Indian company raising money outside India in Indian rupees, then it has to be through masala bond. Question number 2. Which type is the mandate given to SEBI? Option A, to protect the interest of investor in securities. Option B, to protect the development of securities market. Option C, to regulate the securities market. Option D, all of the above. Option E, none of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option D, all of the above. Friends, this is very important question from your exam point of view. SEBI is a regulatory body and it regulates security markets, protect interest of the investors and also undertake activities for development of securities market. Question number 3. Which one is the major constituent of capital market? Option A, SEBI. Option B, clearing houses. Option C, merchant banker. Option D, foreign institutional investor. Option E, all of the above. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option E, all of the above. Friends, all of the above mentioned parties are major constituent or part of a capital market. So remember this point. Question number 4. Which one is not an institutional investor? Option A, corporate investor. Option B, mutual funds. Option C, individual. Option D, insurance companies. Option E, none of the above. Yes, what's the correct answer? It's option C, individual. Friends, institutional investors are usually big corporate houses such as mutual funds, insurance companies, etc. Whereas individuals are known as retail investors. Hence, the correct answer is option C. Question number 5. NSDL and CDSL are A, investors, B, depository, C, broker, D, stock exchange, E, intermediaries. Yes, what's the correct answer? It's option B, depository. Friends, stock exchange is a place where shares are purchased and sold. But who keeps this share? It's these depositories, NSDL and CDSL, who stores these shares or stock mutual funds in demat form. And what is the full form of NSDL and CDSL? That you tell me in the comment box. Question number 6. Which one is not a private placement? Option A, preferential issue. Option B, qualified institutional placement. Option C, institutional placement program. Option D, right issue. Option E, shares issued to mutual fund house. Yes, what's the correct answer? It's option D, right issue. Friends, first thing, what is private placement? It is something which is issued to selected group of person and all these institutional FFI, QIP, mutual fund house are selected groups. In case of right issue is made to all the existing shareholders of the company and not to few selected group of people. Hence, it is not a private placement. Question number 7. IPO grading indicates fundamentals of a company. In this context, IPO grade 1 indicates option A, poor fundamentals, option B, below average fundamentals, option C, average fundamentals, option D, above average fundamentals, option E, strong fundamentals. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option A, poor fundamentals. Friends, IPO grading is generally granted on a point scale of 1 to 5. Higher the grade, higher or stronger will be fundamentals of the company, which means company is very good and good chances of return and so on. So if grade is 1, then it means it is not so fundamentally strong company. Question number 8. Which one of the following is not a function of a stock exchange? Option A, liquidity and market stability of securities. Option B, fair price determination. Option C, source of short-term funding. Option E, helps in capital formation. Option E, none of the above. Yes, what's the correct answer? It's option C, source of short-term funding. Friends, to provide short-term funding is not a function of stock exchange. It is the function of banks to provide funds and not that of stock exchange. Question number 9. Nifty Futures expires on A, every Thursday of the week, B, last Thursday of the month, C, twice in a month, D, last Friday of the month, E, none of the above. Yes, what's the correct answer? It's option B, last Thursday of the month. Friends, future and option segments expires on last Thursday of the month. After that, a new cycle will start which will expire on next month's last Thursday, and it will keep go on like this. So do remember this question, it's an important one. Question number 10. Which one is not a category of an intermediaries? A, stockbroker, B, underwriter, C, investor, D, merchant banker, E, bankers. Yes, so what's the correct answer? It's option C, investors. Friends, investors are the subscribers and not the intermediaries. So remember this point. Friends, if you want to practice more such type of MCQ questions from your technical syllabus, I request you to kindly visit Finance MCQ website. It has entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus in MCQ format, 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. It has explanations for correct answers wherever required, 25 test series technical syllabus, and each test series are having 20 to 25 questions. So friends, don't miss this golden opportunity and increase your selection chances significantly. Website link is in the description box below, and if you have any questions, please write in the comment box below and I will try to address them, and I will come up with new MCQ questions to practice on SEBI Grade A exam. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.